Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Testerup how to use. So without wasting time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Testerup is a mobile app and website that pays you to test apps, play games and complete offers. In order to use it, what you need to do first is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in Testerup and look for an app icon like this on your search list and tap on it. Then simply tap on Get button right here and follow the on-screen instructions to simply download the app. Then once downloaded, all you gotta do is tap on open, and then if you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials, and if you don't have an account, simply tap on sign in and create an account using your Gmail or Google login. Then complete your profile information. Now what you need to do is head to the dashboard or home screen. You will see available tasks like playing mobile games to a certain level, completing surveys, signing up for a trial services or apps. Now next is to start a task. Simply tap on start only inside the Testerup app. This ensures the offer is tracked and complete the objective as specified. Example, reach level 15 in game within 10 days. And all you gotta do now is track your progress by simply going to the My Tasks tab or In Progress tab. You will see which steps have been completed and how much you have earned per task. Then reach minimum payout threshold and request for payment by simply heading over to the payment or payout section. Then complete one-time face verification by linking your PayPal account and submitting a pay request, which is limit up to $250 per transaction. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.